there was mixed emotions, to be honest, with everybody. But I'm saying this to say that if you stay quiet, they say you're soft, they say you're weak, they say you're pitiful. If you speak out, they say you're vulgar, they say you're loud, and you don't know what you're saying. If you dress nice, then probably say you're too bossy or you show off. So what can you do? Nothing to please anybody. Jesus Christ, the Lord and our Savior, get fight. He couldn't please anybody. He couldn't please the pharaohs, those great kings that wanted to crucify him or did crucify him, right? So who is me, who is you not to be judged, or for people not to talk negative about, or not to look down to? But the greatest thing about that is you are doing something right. If you find yourself not being criticized about or not being talked about or something, that means you're doing something bad. Look into yourself. So today I'm asking you, everyone who is listening to this, rise up. Go and create some negative comment. Go and do something that's going to create that negative comment, because that means you're doing something great. So life is tough. And when Jesus put you on this land, he knew that it was going to be hard. But you have to be harder. You have to have a tough skin. You have to know what you're fighting for and believe nothing can change your mindset. No one can dampen your feeling. This world is full of good and it's full of evil. But we have to know how to stay strong during that time and overcome evil. People will always talk. People will always say anything. So just do you and do yourself. Do not make anybody, not even your mom, your dad, stop your dreams, stop you from shining, or stop you from do whatever you want to do. And once I was a little boy, I said, I believe I can fly. I can fly. That's how powerful the mind is, hypothetically speaking.
And that was literally Yohan Blake complaining about his situation, and he is also advising people on how to live life and how to make it alive. And also Yohan Blake has another message, and now I will be sharing the second message that Yohan Blake has for Jamaicans, not just Jamaicans but people all over the world. So Yohan Blake said, no one will ever know how hard it had been for you and how much you have endured. So never allow anyone to bring you down, because you are stronger than they will ever realize. So doubt your doubt. And definitely Yohan Blake is referring to the Jamaicans, people that are telling him to give up on his career. And I feel like he has finally replied back to those people feeling like he should give up on his athletics career, that his prime time has passed already, that he should have retired with Usain Bolt long time ago. But Yohan Blake is just trying to make a living out of athletics, right? Nobody is going to pay his bills. He is the one paying his bills, and people just want to drag him for doing something that he enjoys and something that pays his bills, and that's why he is complaining, right? Now let me hear your opinions, and do not forget to like and also subscribe to the YouTube channel.